Hi guys, this is quite an unusual video because we don't see each other than for lectures, but this time I'm quite very happy. At the same time, I have a mixed emotion of bit sadness that I'm going to tell you a news which you might not be expecting. That is, I'm going to pursue my higher studies in United Kingdom, and today is my flight and I'm about to board to the flight. I want to share this news with my YouTube family, and I'm very happy. At the same time, missing my parents, missing my students, missing my home. It makes me have a little mixed emotion, but at the same time, it was always my dream to pursue something, pursue higher education, at the same time study more and get more degrees. And as a result, I'm happy because this time I'm pursuing my dream. And you might know the subject in which I would be learning, because you know my favorite subject, and it would be definitely, yes, biomechanics. And this time I'm going for studying and learning sports biomechanics in the University of Chester in United Kingdom. It is between Manchester and Liverpool, which you might have heard in football clubs, etc., in news. So today is my flight, and tomorrow morning, that is by 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock, I would be reaching there, and I will get you posted. After that, I will have a small video then. And this is the reason why which we could not have much videos on this week, because I literally tried to arrange more videos, but you know the busy schedule of moving out, I could not actually make up videos much more. I literally thought to make some 13 to 14 videos, but I could not. And but I have some amount of videos with me which will be posting in alternate days from day after tomorrow onwards. And I have 14 days quarantine when I reach over there. So at those period, I don't think that I can make videos because I won't have the materials like board, etc. But still, I will try to sort it out. Don't worry about that. I'm really sorry for the inconvenience, because I know that you expect a lot from this channel. Definitely, it will back in track within 1 week. Okay, we'll make it much more interesting and excited and systematic and international, our lectures and our studies. Okay. Expect your supports, and I want your valuable prayers today in my journey. You know, it is COVID time and so on. There are little things to worry, but at the same time, your prayers and blessings can help me overcome that. So pray for me. I'll get you posted when I reach over there, and we will continue this exploration. We are not going to stop this channel. Of course, this channel was started just for my dear 30 students, but I got the momentum and great amount of feedback and appreciation from you all. So we will continue this channel throughout coming years. Definitely we will continue this channel, don't worry about that. Okay. And what I want to tell you is that situations may be unfavorable. For example, now it's COVID. You ask me, why should you move out in COVID time? It's actually difficult, right? It's actually an obstacle. You should be worried. Yes, of course, there are things to worry, but the world will not wait for anyone. That's what I want to tell you. Now it's COVID. Everyone will give you an excuse. You have excuse. You can have leave and so on. But after it, the world will move on. 1 or 2 years after, nobody is going to remember this thing. Nobody is going to give you excuse on that. So I want to tell you that if you have something to pursue, if you have some exams approaching, do not skip it. If you have a course to take it, because this is the time when you have to do it, when everybody else rests. Okay. And if you don't do it, you will have to, sometimes you may have to face some difficulties in future. Don't take it as an excuse. Okay. Try to utilize even the difficult opportunities. When you are trying to utilize this opportunity, God will give you more. You will get more success. I want you all to be success through our channel, and continue your support, continue your appreciations and your feedback, which makes me very proud and happy. And thank you all, thank you to each and everyone for your continued support throughout this small period of time. And thank you for my students, my college family, IPMS family, my parents and my sisters and my family, everyone for your supports. And we'll work together and we'll grow together. All the best, stay safe, and God bless you all. Thank you.